At Good Energy Solutions, we've been helping homeowners and businesses across the Midwest lower energy costs and reduce reliance on fossil fuels since 2007. Our team designs and installs high-performing solar systems that are built to last.
I didn't really consider myself buying the solar panels. I'm buying my future electricity. And I think that the real benefits of the system are going to show more over the coming 10 to 20 years as opposed to the coming 10 to 20 months.
Our solar panel installations have an expected useful life of more than 40 years, so you can secure your energy needs for decades to come.
I met with individuals from several companies and looked over the proposals and the systems, and ultimately Good Energy Solutions checked all the boxes. They were everything that I needed, from timeline to the people that were involved.
We protect your solar investment by adding our own regional best Good Energy Solutions workmanship warranty. In the unlikely event your solar panel system fails because of a workmanship error, our solar service team will come back to fix it for free, guaranteed.
The warranty beats anybody on the market.
Adding a battery to your solar installation guarantees your property will be secured during an emergency or a power outage. You can rest assured that your system will function at peak performance when you need it the most.
So it was really scary at first to kind of think about. It's a big investment for solar, but Good Energy Solutions made it a really easy process.
Our combination of hands-on experience, education, and outstanding customer service make our company the clear choice to help you achieve your energy goals.
On average, it'll probably easily save me $100 a month.
We can make your dreams of a brighter future a reality. Powered by experience, built on trust. We are Good Energy Solutions.